YouTube, this video is on a YOOPAI. It's an enclosure for my Bamboo Labs 3D printer P1P. It's actually in action right now, as you can see. And essentially, I was having an issue because I have windows right here in the winter time, and it was getting kind of cold in this room. I have two 3D printers, and Bamboo Labs, the same thing. That one I don't need an enclosure because it's far enough away from the window. But this one always gave me issues. Incidentally, I bought that, and I have not put it together yet. That's specific Bamboo Labs P1P enclosure, but it's going to take quite a while to put all that together. So a friend of mine actually purchased this for me, and it works great. You can see that it's all shiny in there, so it keeps the heat in. And I wanted it for different types of filament, because some filaments you have to literally have it really hot in there, and you have to turn up the temperatures and all that stuff. But this works great. I'm able to, get in here and get behind and get to the filament if I need. I have a little poop chute that I created there. It's literally what they call them. But it also, this just drops down. It also makes it a lot quieter, and it fits it perfectly well. So you can see it's definitely quieter now. The only sound, you're hearing that, but I have a little fan going right here as well. So I like it. It's a lot larger than that will be. Basically, that will keep it the same size as that. So it doesn't, you can see the size difference here because of it. But it doesn't bother me, and it definitely does the job. That's why I wanted to create the video. It does a good job at keeping everything nice and warm in there. And obviously you can see through it. It also came with another light that you can see in the back up there, and I'll just turn it on. So if you want to see in there better what's going on, it came with that light, which is pretty cool. So it's just a quick video on what you can buy for your Bamboo Labs. I'm sure other ones, you see how big it is, would fit in here. And incidentally, I'll just explain. So I put it to the side more. Get this up here. So it will give me room to get in there and change the filament. I haven't had to do any adjustments or anything like that with it recently or whatnot. But that's why I put it to the side, so I can still get in there and get to the filament, like I said. You can put it wherever you want. I 3D printed these little legs. It helps with it shaking around and stuff like that. But that's it, guys. Just a quick video on the YOOPAI enclosure. It works great. I will leave a link in the description where you can order it if you choose. And hope you like this video. I'm going to make some more on differences between these printers and other printers, and some of the prints that I made, and so on and so forth. So please, guys, when you see this, give it a thumbs up, especially if it helped you, even if it doesn't help you, because we take time to make these videos, and that just gives the algorithm, YouTube, it sends it out to more people to watch. If you don't get many thumbs up, then they stop sending your video out to anybody, and it gets stagnant. So please always give me a thumbs up, guys. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Again, in the description, I'll have a link to this if you guys wanted to buy it. I do get a kickback, a tiny percentage of anything that's purchased. It doesn't cost you any more to purchase the item. It's just a link right to Amazon to save you the time to go look for it. It doesn't cost you any more, and we as creators can get a little bit of a kickback for that. So again, it'll be in the description, and again, I hope you liked the video. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks, YouTube.